Hi guys, welcome back to another super fast tutorial. Today I'm going to show you a super quick method to effectively smooth skin and remove blemishes while retaining its skin pores as well as the skin's natural texture. Also change lip and eyeball colors. Let's do it. The first step is to make a copy of our photo by pressing Ctrl or CMD+J. Invert the copy by pressing Ctrl or CMD+I. Change its blend mode to vivid light. We'll convert it into a smart object so we can modify it non-destructively. To do this, right-click on that layer and click Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Other, and High Pass. We want to find a radius that blurs the skin just enough to hide most of the skin imperfections. For this image, a radius of 32 pixels works well. Go back to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. This blurs the high pass effect. I'll use a blur radius of 3 pixels, which gives us just the right amount of skin texture. Next, we'll restore back the eyes, hair, and any other areas that have sharp edges. Click the layer mask icon and invert the mask to black. Now select Brush tool and open your brush picker and pick a soft, round brush. Make sure your foreground color is white. Now brush over the skin to reveal the smooth skin. Create a new layer and select Healing Brush tool. Make sure to select Sample to Current and Below. Then brush over the pimples like this. After that, select Spot Healing Brush tool and make sure tick on Sample All Layers. Now brush over the little pimples and marks like this. Now all skin touch-ups are done. Let's change eyeball colors and lip color. Again, create a new layer and select Brush tool and change foreground color to yellow or whatever you like. Then brush over the eyes like this. Change blending mode to Overlay and reduce opacity as your wish. Now create a hue saturation layer for lips. Tick on Colorize and change colors like this. Then select that mask and invert it to black. Select Brush tool and brush over the lips like this. Then reduce opacity as you wish. That's it. If you have any questions, comment below, and I will reply as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video.